actually do not have to waste your time doing sub for sub for you to get your subscribers count. Like, sub for sub is a lot of hard work. Like, you are getting 10 subscribers today and then you are losing 20 subscribers tomorrow. See, I know you've tried so many things for you to get your subscribers count and it didn't work. Like, I can tell you that this is not one of them, and I'm telling you this for sure. See, if you go and try this and it doesn't work out, just come back to the comment section and tell me that I'm a big liar, okay? But then if you try it and it works out, remember to also come back, okay? Remember to be one of those 10 lepers. Remember to come back to the comment section and say it actually worked out, okay? Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, like we're going to be treating like a very important topic, of which I know that this is one of the things that has been holding many people back, okay? How to get your 1000 subscribers. Like, now it's important that there are two ways to this, right? You can decide to get your subscribers count organically. Now what we mean by organically is that you allowed the algorithm to help you push your videos, and then people subscribe to you because they actually love your video, right? But some other people, they are in a haze, like they do not want to wait, they just want to rush up the subscriber stuff, and then they'll know that it's just watch alert, right? Now if you're in this category, this video is for you. See, like, you actually do not have to waste your time doing sub for sub for you to get your subscribers count. Like, sub for sub is a lot of hard work. Like, you are getting 10 subscribers today and then you are losing 20 subscribers tomorrow, and you're like, what happened? Like, it's a whole lot of hard work, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you like a simple process, a shortcut to this, and I'm telling you, if you do this, like in one day you should be getting subscribers. In less than 7 days, you're one now. I'm even saying 7 days, in 3 days. Like, for one of my channel, I was able to get 1000 subscribers in less than 3 days, okay? See, if you can make at least 5 to 6 of these shorts per day, and then you are consistent at it for like 3-4 days, you don't have any excuse. Like, you must get your subscribers count. The very first time I tried it, I just made one video and it picked up. When I tried it for another channel, I had to make like I had to make it for like 3 times before it picks up, right? So you should know that different things work for different channels, right? The way the algorithm works on my channel might not be how it reacts to your channel. But what I'm definitely saying is that if you post like 5 to 6 of these shorts in a day and be consistent to it, there is no way, like, I can bet it with my full chest, I can even bet it with money, that there is no way you won't get your subscribers count. So I know you so much believe in evidence, okay? So I am here to show you that what I'm actually going to be preaching today actually works. Now, this is one of my channel, and then this is the short. You can see this gave me 23k views, and it gave me what? 442 subscribers. And I want you to take note of something. Are you noticing that none of these subscribers actually left? Can you see that the graph is just straight? Now let me take you what happened in the first 24 hours. Now can you see that in the first 24 hours of posting this short, I got what? 441 subscribers. Okay, can I show you one more evidence? Now take a look at this one. I got what? 36k views, and then it gave me how many subscribers? A whooping 700 and just hold on. What are you seeing? 762 subscribers for just one shot. Hey. See, these are not just views, like these are engaged views. Now let's go back. Let me show you something. Of course, we had 36k views, and let's look at the number of people that actually engaged. You can see 23k people engaged. So enough of the talking, let's head into the tutorial. So to do this, we're basically going to be collabing with other people's short, like people that are already big in the short games, people that these things are already working for. So we're going to work with them for us to also achieve our own results, okay? So now I'm going to be dropping the names of people you can search for and collab with. So I'll be dropping somewhere here or somewhere here, okay? So just check it out. You can also look from by yourself. You can also check out some, like, you mustn't just stick to this list, okay? So let's dive in. So I'm going to open my YouTube app, and then I'll click on search, and then I'm going to type one of the names. So for this particular tutorial, I want to use prosperity.x. So we're going to be collabing with her own short videos, and then this is her page, and then this is what we have. These are her shorts. So you just basically pick one. I love picking the ones that have high views. Okay, so I picked this one. So I clicked on it and it opened up like this. So I'm going to click on this remix button, and then it's going to show up like this, and then you click on collab. So it's going to process, and you can see it's showing us 15 seconds. So we'll click on that 15 seconds up, and then it's going to show us the full length of the video, which is now 51 seconds. So you now open it up. That's, you drag it to get to the full length of the shorts. So after getting to the full length, we are going to allow the shot to process. As we are waiting for it to process, why not hit the subscribe button? Give this video a thumbs up, okay? So this is what we have. Now you can see that the screen has divided into two. It's showing me one, the main shot, and then secondly my face. That's my camera is now on. So I'll go ahead to turn off the mic. Like, I don't want it to pick up any noise. Like, I don't really need it. So I turned off my mic. Then I hit the record button, and you can see it is now recording. You are going to hear the sound, right? I'll play it later on, but I just want you to notice something. Now, can you see that I wasn't basically talking? I was just doing like some over-sabi body gestures, you understand? Just nodding like yes, no, just moving my head, smiling, asking them to subscribe. Just actions. Like, I basically did not talk in these shots. Now, after doing this, it's going to show us a kind of preview for us to see all the actions we took. In case you don't like it, you can go back. So here it is.
If your mom's name starts with any letter from A to Z, you're out.
Okay, so that's it. Then after that, we'll just go ahead and click on next. So when we click on next, it's going to show up this place. This is where we're going to do what? Input our title. Now let me give you one tip here. Use the title as it was used by the original creator. Like, this is basically what I do. And then I also went ahead to use the same hashtag the creator used, because of course I want my video to fly just like the creator's own. Okay, so as usual, on the visibility, you can decide to make it public or you can decide to schedule it. So this is up to you. So mine is on public because of course I want to upload it immediately. Then I'll go ahead and click on upload short. So my short is going to upload, and then we sit down and wait for the magic. So yes, this requires you showing your face. Okay, now if you know you have a faceless channel and you want me to make a video on how you can go about it on a faceless channel, drop a comment. I'm here for you. It's important for you to know that once you get your 1000 subscribers, you should stop. So what you should do is you shouldn't upload any more videos, and even the ones you had, like if you check this my channel, for instance, you can see that I have over 2000 subscribers. Okay, now let me tell you what actually happened. When I got my 1000 subscribers, I actually stopped posting like shorts. Okay, but I did not go ahead to unlist those other videos, which is what I would have done. So once you get your 1000 subscribers, just go ahead and unlist the short you've done, or you put them on private. Why is actually advisable for you to get 1000 subscribers and then stop at that is so that you'll be able to get other organic subscribers that will be interested in your long form video, because those people that are subscribing to you through shorts, they are only interested in those shorts. And then when you don't keep on posting those shorts, they won't watch, and then this will now make your long form video to suffer, right? So that's why once you get your 1000 subscribers, it's advisable for you to stop. You see this method, you can use it to get 5000 subscribers, you can use it to get 10,000, 20,000 subscribers. But then the thing is, if you know you just want your channel to be like a short channel, no problem, you can go ahead. But if you know you want to be making long form content and you actually want to monetize your channel through long form, I'm telling you, once you get to 1000, just stop at that. You don't have to go ahead to start like attracting subscribers that you know will actually not watch, because you know that once you post your video, you need to first of all send it to your subscribers, right? And then how they react on it will now depend on if the algorithm will push it to other new audience. If you know you got value from this video, why not subscribe to my channel? Why not give this video a thumbs up? Okay, share it to other people that you know that have been trying to get their subscribers count. Okay, until next time, see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.